Cool Kicks YouTube channel, back out at the Citadel. Haven't been here forever. One of the most packed Nike outlets in LA, and of course they have a huge freaking line as usual. And of course you do get 30% off the back wall. Did I miss out this morning? Did I miss out? Starting out with some J's. Do got J's. Jordan 2. Is that a Christmas colorway? $175 full retail. And they got these J's right here. What are these? $150 for the undefeated Jordan 37s. Do like that hit of orange. Wouldn't think I would like that, but yeah, they got quite a few apparently. Nike by Daniela right there. Got some cleats. These are hella expensive. The Mercurial cleats right here. Price unknown. Size 9. Do got Jordan 12 low golf right here. Should be dope if these are regulars. But yeah, $160. What are these right here? The Mocs right here, the undercover collab. Extra freaking weird. But yeah, these are going for $160. Jordan 1s right here in the size 7. Jordan 1 cleats. These are football cleats. These are Jordan 1 shadows. Yeah, these are dope too. $140 for those. At least you get that 30 off. Blazer low acronyms going for $50. You get another 30 off on top. $35. Not many size 8s. I thought I was in the size 8 earlier when I started, but not really. Vaporfly Next percent 3s going for $260. Got that Atom knit on top. Barely any material, and then it's supposed to be pretty strong though. Huarache is going for $89.99. Cosmic Unity is going for $175. That's way too much. Moving up to the 9.5 Jordan 1 mids. Jordan 1 mids. This is the one that I did get for one of the kiddos I bought stuff for. $110 here. Holy cow! I grabbed these for way cheaper. Metcon 8 right next to it. $110 for those. Forces $115 for those. Hope you guys checked out my Nike Outlet East LA video, because yeah, I was finding those for hella cheap. They were refurbished, but I didn't find anything wrong with them. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's going for $100. Yeah, this place definitely a tourist trap. Like look at this. Presto mids going for regular retail. I guess you get the 30 off, but yeah, definitely a tourist trap. $120 for the AJKOs right here. That's under $100 after the discount. Got those in 10. Got them at 10.5. Got some Infinity Run 4s. We've been seeing a ton of these. $160 for these. We've been seeing a ton of these refurbished. Seen them even at Ross Marshall's. Actually, it was Burlington. Got Blazers right here. $90 for those. Trey 510s down to $60. That's what, $42 after the savings. Air Max 95s. Size 11.5, $175. Not many 11s and 12s. 13s right here. Air Max 97s, $130 for those. More of these. Some running shoes right here, middle distance. That's gonna get jacked up. $120 for those before the discount. One of the workers just put one of these, size 12 right here. $180. Super clean. Yeah, huge fan of these, especially at a discount. Grabbed mine for hella cheap. Pegasus Trail 3, size 14, go for $75. Jordan 7s, size 15 right here. At least you get 30 off. But no, wait. We've been seeing these for like $130 at some spots, haven't we? I swear, with full box and everything, we've seen them in the aisles for like $130, $140. $110 for these. Oh yeah, look at this. Size 14, $110. And then another 30% off. Holy cow. That's what's up. $80 for Big Feet Gang. I think that's extended size priced. And then got Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Size 17 going for $90. Also this colorway that people run into. Size 18, $180. Not much on the back wall, dude. Pegasus Trail 3 Gore-Tex going for $90. Size 13 and size 14 right here. Let's see what's up with the clothes. Do get 40% off. And I see USA Jerseys right here. This is the women's national team that one of you guys taught me. No tag, no tag. You got the state shirts. Cool little emblem right there, and then you got states in the back. And these bad boys, 50 bucks. Okay, these over here, they do have tags on them. $95. Holy crap, $95. Those are all mediums. Tech fleece right here, 120. This is small. The sweats that are, what are those? The pullaways? $100. Good lord. ACG premium. Yeah, look at that price tag. Holy cow, $500. You get 40 off at least. Sweats, $85. This is a Lakers sweats right there. Clippers hoodie right here. This is an XL with no tags. Man, y'all making things difficult, man. More USA women's national team. $95 for those. That is retail. At least you do get the 40 off. We do get the 40 off. If you want to look bougie, you got the sweater, not a sweatshirt, but a sweater, $120, normally $175, and then you get that 40 off on top. Got a Fortnite Nike collab t-shirt, $25 for that. That is a size small though. Brazil shirt right here, go for $30. Kenya jacket right here, $130. That is a large. Finally found a Clippers hoodie right here with the tag, $75. God dang. Told you the lines get huge. Look, the line goes all around right here, and then it goes to the front, and then it goes to the amusement park little things right there. Man, that's crazy. All right, we are checking out the aisles. See, I did see these for like $130. Okay, so probably was mismarked. But yeah, that means if it's on the aisles, like you can get those for hella cheap, under $100. That's what's up. Right here, they do have up to size 12. You got these 37s right here, going for $150. Thing lighting. Jumpman 2021s. Westbrook Take Ones. Take One 2. Second gen. All right, got a bunch of Team J's. Got pretty big crowds over here too. But yeah, Team J's. And separates. Like yeah, none of you guys are interested in any of this stuff right here. Even the Jordan Access for $40. LeBron signature budgets right here. Witness 7s. KD budgets right here. KD Trey 5.9s. Got a few of these. Black and white. Giannis budget signatures right here. Giannis Immortality 2s. Got a couple or a few of them. This one down to $50. Okay. All black one. This is Immortality 3 right here. I didn't even know this was a signature. I just looked at it. I was like, oh, okay. Cosmic Unity 3s right here, going for $80. Zoom Freak 5. And you know these are gonna go on sale because we've seen them on sale at the retail shops. Also seen them at the Dick's Sporting Goods outlet for $30. And then we're also seeing 3 different displays of the exact same one. We got 2 of them right here, so they're just not moving like that, which is kind of a shame because they look all right. They look all right. These are the best looking Zoom Freaks so far. And you got sneakers, and you can call them Zoom Freaks, you know. Hey, man. Some Del Dons right here. Then more of these Witnesses. Got a trio of these bad boys. Last one right here. Got the Air Precision 4s. And the reason I'm showing these, tell me these weren't like the upcoming Kyrie's. These totally look like Kyrie Lows, don't they? Tell me those don't look like the Kyrie Lows. These were probably the Kyrie Low 6s, and they're like, we need to get rid of them. Call them the Precisions or something. That's funny. ACG Water Cats. Going for way too much. Retail. Scorpions right here. Trainers. Blazers right here. Jumbo mid blazers. Got some lows. More lows right here. Air Force One highs. Those with the Billie Eilish. Got some mids right here. Another all white high. Air Max 97s. Is that the cheapest we've ever seen, these Air Max 1 premiums? Hopefully the ones you get aren't that dirty up top. Holy cow. Air Max 2017s go for way too much. Got the Jordan Retro wall right here. Got the Jordan 1 Low SE. Colorway, not the greatest, but the material on that one is so fantastic. Jordan 2 lows, Jordan 2 mids, then Air Max 90s, Air Max 1 premiums, Air Max Plus 3s, Pegasus Trail 4s, this one with the Gore-Tex on it. Gotta see what's going on in the women's section as well. This is the women's clearance wall. Do got some Jordan Alma Manier 12s right here. That premium material. Also the premium price, $225. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures for $70. That's actually a really good deal, especially with the 30 off. Got some Dunk lows, $125 for these. These definitely are different than the typical Dunks. Got the gum bottom too, okay. So you got the Sabrinas right here. Regular price though, dang it. Also do got the black ones. Same price though, same price. A few sizes. Checking the huge sizes, not really seeing much variety. Definitely not seeing like great prices here. Definitely interesting. And this is exactly why I haven't been here. I haven't been here in a cool minute, probably 8-9 months. Yeah, I got Sesames right here, Sesame Dunk highs. Pretty cool color blocking, and then decent material too. The decent material. This is a premium, that's probably why. There are some premium MFers. Hell yeah. And you get a whole $5 discount. Got some highs right here, Air Force highs. Speaking of Air Forces, and some premium MFers. Yeah, do got these. Pretty decent. Down bottoms right here. Green on white. Action green on white. Got some Jordan 1 Elevate lows right here with some decent material. Craft 2s. Second generation of the Craft, that is. Air Max 270s. Waffle 1s. Another one of these Elevate lows. Or is this the same one? No, it's slightly different now. Got Jordan 5s here, go for regular price. Hyper Royal Retro 12. Air Max Thea mids. Blazer mids. Second one right here, all white. Pink Oxford along with white. Jordan 2 low retros. Air Force 1 platforms. Do got some running shoes, Infinity Run Flying at 3s. $130 a little high. Pegasus 40s, slight discount. Pegasus Trail 3s, that's a really good price. And do got some Pegasus. But I feel like we've seen those at every spot, and the price has been pretty similar everywhere. All right, I think that's about it, dude. You know, it is my job to show you guys every spot and let you guys know if it's worth coming. I don't think so. I don't think so. And the crowd, still crazy. Still crazy. Super long lines. That makes it even less worth coming, right? All right, last ditch effort, try to find something worth it. But yeah, dude got, look at this, three different displays of the exact same thing. What the hell's going on? Y'all just need to give these out for free if you guys have that many. It says $35 for the tops right here. These are the pants. Wait, what's going on over here? Tops only? That I want to make a bar called Tops Only, or just wear tops. That's funny. But yeah, $60. You do get 40% off, so not bad. This is like super fluffy. Not too bad. Maybe we are finding some reasons to come here now. Last ditch effort. These are going for $50 right here. Would assume that's the same thing. More fleece on sale. $60 for those, $50 for those right there. Saw that up on the rack. $50. You do get that 40 off. And then I don't know if you get the same deal on the pants right here, because over there it says tops only, then right here it says all on fleece, so who knows. $30 for sweats. These are tapered and everything. Okay. $65 for these. These are the flights. Way too red for me. $60 for the pants. Then LeBron hoodies right here. Does have the LeBron logo on it. $65 for these, normally $95. I think that's about it, guys.